Here's a 2019 Lexus NX. By combining intuitive technology with a design that is aggressive outside and comforting inside, this NX takes the crossover beyond utility. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, streaming audio, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, external memory control, doors and push-button start proximity key, leather steering wheel, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Edmunds.com highlights its class-best fuel economy, generous backseat room for the segment, impeccable cabin construction, and copious high-tech features. Inspired design, relentless innovation, incredible performance. That is the DNA of a Lexus. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Call us today at 813-565-0061.